Okay, quick test. Do you actually remember the kanji from the last few weeks? 10 questions, 4 choices each. Grab a pen, keep score, and let's see how many you can get right. Question 1. What does this kanji mean? The answer is A. De, red de, means exit. Question 2. Which of these kanji means after? It's B. O, read ato, means after. Question 3. What does this kanji mean? Correct answer. C. He, red he, means fire. Question 4. Which of these kanji means woman? And it's D. Onna, read onna, means woman. Question 5. What does this kanji mean? The answer is B. Q, red kokono, means 9. Question 6. Which of these kanji means tree, wood? The answer is C. Mi, red ki, means tree, wood. Question 7. What does this kanji mean? It's D. Nen, red toshi, means year. Question 8. Which of these kanji means non? Correct answer, B. He, read hi, means non. Question 9. What does this kanji mean? And it's A. Ge, red tsuki, means moon, month. Question 10. Which of these kanji means earth? The answer is A. Tsuchi, red tsuchi, means earth. That's all 10. So how did you do? Drop your score in the comments. 10 out of 10 earns you bragging rights. There's a new kanji here every single day, so follow along and keep your streak alive.